What if I tell you you can create a hidden folder on your desktop in Windows 10 without installing any software and no one will even see it, even if they are using your laptop? Let me show you this trick in just 60 seconds. Here, you can see this folder contains some data, which I want to hide with this folder. First of all, right click on the folder and rename it. Hold Alert and press 255 from numeric side of your keyboard. After pressing enter, you would see your folder has a blank name. Now click on the property and customize its icon. Now select any blank icon from here and press apply. Now your folder is completely invisible. No name, no icon, total secret. Try this trick on your PC and comment hidden if it worked. Subscribe for more secret Windows tricks.